Hello and welcome in this course. So I wanted to give you a short introduction what you will get. So we will use the free version of ChatGPT. This is the question I received the most. So you don't have to have a paid account. A free account is good. So you don't have to have any prior experience. And I will teach you how to think of AI and how to use AI. This is the screen what you will see after you log in. So you have to have a free account that you create first before you start this course. It's very easy to create an account. Just verify your email, your phone, and you're good to go. After that, you can have some sort of settings here, but we disregard all of this because now we will use only the free version and you don't have to. Also, the phone version, I recommend it and it's very useful because you can use your voice and many other things. But in this course, we will focus on the desktop application. So we will use only this screen and the chatbot and the chat box, and we will see the results here. So I wanted to record this video to let you know that if you see the screen, you are good to go.